Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report with Jermaine Brown.
Reggae Boy and West Ham United striker Michail Antonio has been discharged from hospital more than 3 weeks after sustaining a broken leg in a car accident. 34-year-old Antonio had surgery on a lower limb fracture following the crash on December 7. The Jamaican international had to be released from his car after being trapped during the accident and was taken to a central London hospital. Antonio is West Ham's all-time leading scorer in the Premier League with 68 goals in 268 league appearances. The Hammers forward spoke to his teammates via a video call before they earned an important 2-1 win over Wolverhampton Wanderers on December 9, having worn Antonio 9 shirts before kickoff. The club thanked the emergency and medical services that supported Antonio and said it would donate close to £60,000 up to the NHS and Air Ambulances UK charities after the shirts were sold at auction. West Ham manager Julian Lopetegui said earlier this month that it was, quote, a miracle that Antonio was okay. Jamaican hard-hitting all-rounder Andre Russell and explosive Trinidadian batter Nicholas Paran are the two West Indians named in the ESPN T20 International Team of the Year. Paran was named as the wicket-keeper, while Rashid Khan of Afghanistan was listed as the captain. And after an outstanding year which saw him score a century and end with an average of 71, Guyanese Sherfin Rutherford is the lone West Indian selected for the ODI Team of the Year. No West Indian was selected in the Test Team of the Year. On the women's side, Windies captain Hayley Matthews was named as skipper of the Women's T20 International Team of the Year. She was the only Caribbean player to be selected, while no Caribbean player made the Women's ODI Team of the Year. For the first time in the history of the Jockeys Championship at Caymanas Park, the champion jockey as well as the runner-up were incentivized. 4 years ago, a new quarterly awards and incentive scheme for 4 of the occupational groups was introduced by the promoting company SVREL. SVREL took it further, rewarding the top 2 jockeys for a brilliant season. Champion Radesh Rahman walked away with cash prize to the tune of $300,000, while runner-up Tevin Foster received $100,000. And both jockeys were also incentivized by their sponsor True Shake, with Rahman receiving $100,000 and Foster $50,000. Chairman of SVREL Solomon Sharp is promising bigger and better things for the new year.
This is absolutely important. When you look in the stands, you see we have the greatest fans in the world, and this is what the fans call for. I think Caymanas Park is the greatest place in the world, and we have a lot more things coming.
And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's the midday news. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.